on. And it is a pretty brown. How nice, thank you. And what did it eat? Took my dry fly, I think. Okay, I'll let you go, Brownie. Oh, look at this pretty guy. Thank you. Okay, baby. Look at this gorgeous fish. Woohoo! Whoa! Got one. Come on. It's a strong fish. Get away from the weed here. There we go. A nice 12-incher. Ate my PMD. So that's really nice. I'll let you go. It's a pretty fish. Thank you. That's a good one. There's a nice fish. Finally, we got a fish landed. All right, I'll let you go, baby. Thank you. That's a good fish. Took my nymph. Come on, baby. Oh yeah. Wow, that's a gorgeous fish. Took my nymph in the soft water here. Okay, we'll let you go, baby. Look at this gorgeous. Whoa! It was ready. Not that big. Strong fish. That's a nice fatty. Maybe about 10 inches. Okay. Let you go, baby. Look at this pretty fat fish. Haha! Oh yeah. I love you. Ooh. A jumper. I like jumpers. This is a fat one. Not huge, but it's really feisty. Come here. Haha. Thank you, baby. See, ate my dry fly. It's almost 12 inches. Very nice. All right, beautiful. I'll let you go now. Look at this healthy fish, ready to go. Thanks. Got a nice one on the fast water here. Where are you? Come here. About 10 inches. Took my nymph. All right, very good. See rainbow. Thank you. Got a fish. Come here, baby. Ate my PMD. All right, pretty rainbow. A fat one, maybe about 9 inches. Nice, thank you. Okay, time to go. Beautiful. Thank you. Haha, got him. Jumper. I like jumpers. Oh. Come here. Let's get to the shallower water. Oh, lovely. It's a brown. Pretty. Look at that. Ate my dry fly. Okay, brownie. Ooh, what a beauty. Thank you. It wanted that? That's amazing. Wow. Oh, that's amazing. Whoa! Can't believe it. Come on, baby. Let me land you today. Oh, yes. Absolutely made my day today. Look at this. Incredible. Of all things, it would eat that fly. It's pretty amazing. Okie doke. Gorgeous. Wow, look at you. Here you go. Thank you. Ah. Amazing. Got another one. This one's smaller, but still fun. Come here, baby. Whoa. Yep. Whoa, just got you, huh? Pretty fat one. Maybe 14, 13, 14. Total jumper. Look at this guy. He just grabbed it. Incredible tonight. Amazing how the right fly will just catch lots of fish. Oh wow, another really nice fish. Fat 12-incher here. Okay, let's get the fly off. Oh, fly is off. All right, time to go, fish. Beauty. Thank you.